Hi everyone, it is Christina Pridie here, better known as the Seamless Knitter here on YouTube. You can find me on Facebook and Instagram. You can find all of my seamless pattern designs on Ravelry and on my website, ptboyarnshop.com. I also have a Ko-Fi account if you would like to support me and my channel financially. All this information is linked in the description box below this video. In today's tutorial, I will be demonstrating how I do the jogless join. So let's get started. Okay, so here I have my project that I would like to join in the round. And as you can see, I have put on all the stitches. I'm using Addi Click interchangeable needles. And so what you're going to do is make sure that all the stitches are facing in towards the circle, okay, inward. So as you can see, there's the stitches, and you want to see that all facing inward before you do this join. Okay, so you can see that everything looks good. You don't want to have any twisted stitches or you'll end up with a Mobius twist in your work. So the first thing that we're going to do is hold our needles in our hands at how you're going to join, and in this case I am a right-handed knitter, so I have my working yarn attached to my right hand needle. So that's the position I'm going to be in doing this demonstration. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my right hand needle and I'm going to go into the first stitch on the left hand needle as if to purl, and I'm going to slip it over to the right hand needle like so. Now I am going to take my left hand needle and I'm going to go into the second stitch in now on the right hand needle as if to purl, and I'm going to jump that over that stitch like so. So now I have switched positions of those two stitches. So this one was from the left hand needle and this one's from the right hand needle, and you can see how they're crossed right now because I've switched positions. So now we are going to let the stitch on the left hand needle drop off the needle. So I'm just going to let that drop right off, so down. And now I'm going to put this stitch on the right hand needle back over to the left hand needle purlwise, like so. Now I am going to pull on the tail end and the working yarn at the same time tightly and draw up the two stitches together so that you can see that now everything, when you look at the join, you can see that the cast on edge is completely straight across and it's jogless. So now you would be ready to put your stitch marker on the right hand needle and start your knitting. Okay, so that's how you do it. So there you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please save it to watch later, share it with your friends, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell to be notified of my next video or tutorial release. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below this video and I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel. Happy knitting!